usually watch YouTube or streaming services in your free time?
Yes, I watch them almost every day, especially in the evening.
What do you usually watch on YouTube?
I often watch educational videos and daily vlogs.
Do you prefer short videos or long ones?
It depends on my mood and how much time I have.
And what about streaming services like Netflix or Disney Plus?
I use Netflix more than other platforms.
What kind of shows do you like on Netflix?
I enjoy drama series and documentaries.
Do you watch alone or with your family?
Most of the time I watch alone in my room,
Why do you prefer watching alone?
because I can choose whatever I want without discussion.
That makes sense.
Also, I can pause or rewind anytime I want.
Do you watch videos on your phone or TV?
I usually watch YouTube on my phone and Netflix on TV.
Which one do you enjoy more?
Watching on TV feels more relaxing.
Do you ever watch too much?
Yes, sometimes I lose track of time.
Does that affect your sleep?
Unfortunately, yes, especially on weekends.
Have you tried limiting your screen time?
I've tried, but it's not easy.
Do you think watching videos helps you relax?
Yes, it helps me forget stress for a while.
That's one of the best benefits.
I agree completely.
Do you prefer YouTube or paid streaming services?
I prefer YouTube because it's free and easy to access.
What do you like most about YouTube?
I like the variety of content from many creators.
Do you follow specific YouTubers?
Yes, I follow several channels related to travel and learning.
What about streaming services?
They are better for high-quality movies and series.
Do you think streaming services are worth the money?
Yes, if you watch them regularly.
How often do you watch movies on streaming platforms?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Do you binge watch series?
Sometimes, especially when the story is interesting.
Have you ever finished a whole series in one weekend?
Yes, and I felt very tired afterward.
Do you watch YouTube while eating?
Yes, almost every meal.
Doesn't that distract you from your food?
It does, but it feels relaxing.
Do you think that's a good habit?
Probably not, but it's hard to stop.
Do you watch content in English?
Yes, I watch English videos to improve my listening skills.
That's a smart way to learn.
It helps me learn naturally.
Which platform helps you learn more?
YouTube helps more with learning.
Which one do you enjoy more?
I enjoy both in different ways.
That's a good balance.
Yes, I think so too.
Do you ever watch YouTube or movies with your family?
Yes, we sometimes watch movies together on weekends.
Who chooses the movie usually?
We discuss and choose something everyone likes.
Is it easy to agree on one movie?
Not always, because everyone has different tastes.
What kind of movies does your family enjoy?
Mostly comedy and family-friendly movies.
Do you watch YouTube together as well?
Sometimes, especially funny or travel videos.
Do you talk while watching?
Yes, we often comment and laugh together.
That sounds fun.
It's a good way to spend time together.
Do you watch with friends too?
Yes, especially when a new series is popular.
Do you watch at home or at someone's house?
Usually at home with snacks.
What snacks do you usually have?
Popcorn, chips, and sometimes drinks.
Do you pause the show often?
Yes, especially when someone wants to talk.
Does that annoy you?
Not really, because I enjoy the company.
Do you prefer watching alone or together?
It depends on my mood.
When do you prefer watching alone?
When I want quiet time.
And together?
When I want to feel connected.
That's a nice way to see it.
Watching together creates memories.
I agree.
It's more than just watching a screen.
Do you think watching videos can be educational?
Yes, especially on YouTube.
What kind of educational videos do you watch?
I watch language learning and skill-based videos.
Do you prefer watching or reading to learn?
I prefer watching because it feels easier.
Do you take notes while watching?
Sometimes, if the topic is important.
What about documentaries on streaming services?
I enjoy documentaries very much.
What topics interest you most?
Nature, history, and real-life stories.
Do documentaries change how you think?
Yes, they often give me new perspectives.
Do you watch them seriously or casually?
I try to watch them seriously.
Do you rewatch videos?
Yes, especially helpful learning videos.
Do you think videos can replace teachers?
No, but they are good support tools.
Do you watch videos at a fixed time?
Usually at night after finishing my work.
Does watching help you relax?
Yes, learning in this way feels enjoyable.
Do you recommend learning through videos?
Yes, especially for visual learners.
That's a good point.
Everyone learns differently.
Videos make learning flexible.
Exactly.
That's why they're popular.
I completely agree.
Do you think you spend too much time watching videos?
Honestly, yes. Sometimes I do.
What makes you realize that?
I notice when I stay up late watching.
Do you feel tired the next day?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Have you tried reducing your watching time?
I've tried, but new videos keep appearing.
Do recommendations make it harder to stop?
Yes, the algorithm is very tempting.
Do you watch videos while doing other things?
Yes, while eating or resting.
Does that affect your concentration?
Sometimes, especially when I multitask.
Do you feel guilty after watching too much?
A little, when I waste time.
But do you also enjoy it?
Yes, it brings me joy and relaxation.
Do you think balance is important?
Yes, balance is very important.
How do you try to keep balance?
I set time limits for myself.
Does that work?
Sometimes, but not always.
Do you plan to change your habits?
Yes, slowly and realistically.
That's a good approach.
I don't want to quit completely.
Enjoyment is still important.
Exactly.
Watching videos is fine in moderation.
I agree completely.
What season do you like the most? I really enjoy spring because the weather feels comfortable. What do you like about spring weather? It's not too hot or too cold, and the air feels fresh. I agree, spring is very pleasant. Flowers also start blooming everywhere. That makes the streets look more colorful. Exactly, it improves my mood. What about summer? Summer's fun, but sometimes it's too hot. Do you like sunny days? I like sunshine, but not extreme heat. Summer heat can be exhausting. Yes, especially when humidity is high. Do you prefer air conditioning or fans? Air conditioning, especially at night. How about autumn? Autumn is beautiful with cool air and falling leaves. I love the colors in autumn. Me too, they feel calm and relaxing. Is winter your least favorite season? Yes, because it's too cold for me. Do you like winter fashion, though? Yes, wearing jackets and scarves is nice. That's one good thing about winter. Do seasons affect your mood? Yes, sunny seasons make me feel happier. I feel the same way. Weather really influences our feelings. It does more than we realize. If you could choose one season forever, which would it be? Definitely spring. I would choose autumn. Both are great choices.
How's the weather today where you live?
It's cloudy and a bit windy today.
Does that affect your plans?
Yes, I decided to stay indoors.
I usually feel less energetic on cloudy days.
Me too. Sunlight gives me motivation.
Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Almost every morning before leaving home.
Why is it important for you?
It helps me choose the right clothes.
That's practical. Do you carry an umbrella often?
Yes, because the weather changes quickly,
Sudden rain can be annoying.
especially when you forget your umbrella.
Have you ever been caught in heavy rain?
Yes, many times.
How did you feel?
Wet, cold, and uncomfortable.
Weather can really affect our day.
Do you like rainy days at home?
Yes, they feel cozy and calm. I enjoy listening to rain sounds.
It helps me relax.
What kind of weather helps you sleep better?
Cool and quiet weather.
Hot nights are hard to sleep through.
Definitely.
Do you think climate is changing?
Yes, weather feels more extreme now.
I've noticed that too.
It's a little worrying.
Hopefully we can adapt.
I hope so.
Do you plan activities based on the weather?
Yes, weather decides many of my plans.
What do you do on sunny days?
I like going outside for walks or exercise.
That sounds healthy.
Fresh air makes me feel better.
What about rainy days?
I stay home and watch movies.
That's a nice way to spend time.
Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, but only when the weather is nice.
Extreme weather can ruin plans.
Have you ever canceled a trip because of weather?
Yes, once due to a storm.
That must have been disappointing.
It was, but safety comes first.
Do you enjoy winter sports?
Not really, because I dislike cold weather.
I enjoy watching winter sports on TV.
That's more comfortable.
What season is best for traveling?
Spring and autumn for sure.
Fewer crowds and better weather.
Exactly.
Does hot weather affect your appetite?
Yes, I eat less when it's hot.
Same here.
Cold weather makes me want hot food.
Soup and warm drinks are perfect.
Weather influences our habits a lot.
More than we expect.
I agree completely.
Are seasons very different in your country?
Yes, especially between summer and winter.
How hot does summer get?
Sometimes it gets extremely hot.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It is, especially during heat waves.
How about winter?
Winter is cooler, but not snowy.
So you don't get snow often?
Very rarely.
I've always wanted to see snow,
Snow looks beautiful in photos.
but it can cause problems too.
Yes, like traffic issues.
Do people dress differently by season?
Yes, fashion changes a lot.
Seasonal clothes are interesting.
They reflect weather and culture.
Have you experienced seasons abroad?
Yes, I experienced autumn overseas once.
How was it different?
The air felt cooler and cleaner.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much.
Would you like to live in a four-season country?
Yes, to experience all seasons clearly.
It sounds exciting.
But adapting might be difficult.
That's true.
Each climate has pros and cons.
It depends on personal preference.
Exactly.
Weather shapes our lifestyle.
I believe so too.
Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, I experienced a very strong storm once.
That must have been scary.
It was, especially with strong winds.
What did you do during the storm?
I stayed inside and avoided windows.
That was a smart choice.
Have you experienced extreme heat?
Yes, during a heat wave last year.
How did you deal with it?
I stayed indoors and drank lots of water,
Heat can be dangerous.
especially for older people.
Do you follow weather warnings?
Yes, I think they are important.
Some people ignore them.
That can be risky.
Do you think extreme weather is increasing?
Yes, it feels more frequent.
Climate change might be the reason.
Many scientists agree on that.
Does extreme weather worry you?
A little, especially for the future.
I feel the same way.
Do you prepare for bad weather?
I keep emergency supplies at home.
That's very responsible.
Weather is unpredictable.
Being prepared is important.
Definitely.
Nature is powerful.
We should respect it. How's the weather today where you are?
Today's weather is quite pleasant and comfortable.
What is the temperature like?
It's warm, but not too hot.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it feels perfect for going outside.
Is it sunny or cloudy?
It's mostly sunny with a few clouds.
Do you enjoy this kind of weather?
Yes, it puts me in a good mood.
Does the weather affect your plans today?
Definitely. I plan to take a walk later.
That's a good idea.
The breeze is also very gentle.
A breeze makes the heat easier to handle.
Exactly.
Is there any chance of rain today?
The forecast says no rain.
That's good news.
I don't like sudden rain.
Neither do I.
Do you prefer warm or cool weather?
I prefer weather like today.
Me too.
It's easy to choose clothes.
Yes, I don't need a jacket or an umbrella.
That's convenient.
Weather like this doesn't happen every day.
We should enjoy it while it lasts.
I agree.
Days like this feel relaxing.
They really do.
What's today's weather like for you?
Today is very hot and humid.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It really is, especially in the afternoon.
Is the sun strong today?
Yes, the sunlight feels intense.
Do you feel tired because of the heat?
Yes, I feel tired more quickly.
Are you using air conditioning?
Yes, almost all day.
Does it help?
It helps a lot, but my electricity bill increases.
That's the downside.
Is it humid where you are too?
Yes, the air feels heavy.
Humidity makes everything worse.
Even walking outside feels difficult.
Exactly.
Do you drink more water on days like this?
Yes, I drink water very often.
That's important.
I also avoid going out at noon.
That's a smart decision.
Do you like summer weather?
I like summer, but not extreme heat.
Same here.
When will the weather cool down?
Probably in the evening.
I'm looking forward to that.
Me too.
Hot days feel very long.
They really do.
Is it raining today in your area?
Yes, it's been raining since morning.
Is it light rain or heavy rain?
It's light rain, but very steady.
Do you like rainy weather?
I like it when I stay at home.
Rainy days feel calm and quiet.
Yes, especially when listening to the rain.
Did the rain affect your plans today?
Yes, I canceled my outdoor plans.
That's understandable.
The roads are also very slippery.
That can be dangerous.
I brought an umbrella when I went out.
Did it help?
Yes, but my shoes still got wet.
That's annoying.
Rain always causes small problems.
Does it feel cold today?
A little cooler than usual.
Cooler weather can be refreshing.
Yes, but too much rain is not good.
Do you think it'll rain all day?
The sky looks very dark.
That's not a good sign.
I hope it stops by evening.
Rainy evenings can feel lonely.
Or cozy, depending on your mood.
That's true.
Weather changes how we feel.
I completely agree.
How has the weather been today?
It changed several times today.
Really? How did it start?
It was sunny in the morning.
That sounds nice.
Yes, but it became cloudy later.
Did it rain after that?
Yes, there was a short rain shower.
That must have surprised people.
Many people didn't bring umbrellas.
Was the rain heavy?
Not very heavy, but sudden.
How is the weather now?
It's clearing up again.
Weather like that is unpredictable.
Yes, it's hard to plan.
Did the temperature change?
It feels cooler after the rain.
Rain often cools the air.
I like the fresh smell after rain.
We too. It feels clean.
But changing weather can cause headaches.
That happens to me too.
Do you check the weather forecast often?
Yes, especially on days like this.
Forecasts are not always accurate.
That's true.
Today proves that.
Weather can change quickly.
We need to be prepared.
Carrying an umbrella is a good idea.
I'll do that next time.